IDTO, Kentucky Sibling DNA Testing Services. What is sibling DNA testing? This DNA test determines whether two people are biological siblings. It helps confirm shared parentage, whether you need to verify a common father or mother. Looking to confirm biological relationships between siblings in Kentucky? When parent DNA testing isn't an option, we at IDTO can help. Our sibling DNA testing services provide reliable answers for both personal peace of mind and legal needs. Types of sibling DNA testing. 1. Full siblingship testing to determine if you share both parents. 2. Half siblingship testing if you share one parent. The lab's sibling testing option calculates the probability that two people share the same biological parents. A score above 1.0 indicates a higher probability of being siblings, while scores below 1.0 suggest they are more likely unrelated. Although our testing is highly accurate, results are based on statistical probability rather than 100% certainty. How much does a sibling DNA test cost? The cost of our sibling DNA tests starts at just $299.99 for a peace of mind home DNA test kit. Our legal sibling DNA tests start at $499.99. Sample collection fees are not included in the cost of your test. Call 888-204-0583 to allow one of our DNA consultants to schedule an appointment for you today. Legal sibling testing results are completed in 2 to 3 days of receipt of DNA samples at the lab. Please note, all legal DNA testing samples are tested and analyzed by our partner AABB accredited laboratory. This accreditation ensures that your results can be used for legal purposes. Common use cases. 1. Immigration purposes. 2. Adding a father's name to a birth certificate. 3. Inheritance. How does our home sibling DNA testing process work? Getting started is simple. First, order your kit by calling us at 888-204-0583 or by visiting our sibling DNA testing page on our website at IDTODNA.com. After purchase, your kit will ship within 24 to 48 hours. Once you receive it, follow the instructions to collect your DNA samples and sign the chain of custody form. Place everything in the prepaid Priority Overnight FedEx envelope and send it back to our lab. Testing typically takes 2 to 3 business days after your DNA samples arrive to the lab. Need results faster? Same-day testing is available for an additional fee. Upon the completion of your results, you will receive them by physical mail and another copy by email. What is the method used to collect my DNA samples? We use a simple, painless cheek swab to collect your DNA. While blood samples can also be used to determine biological relationships, cheek swab samples are less invasive and a painless method of collection. Contact our office if you need to discuss alternative collection options not discussed in this video. Customer support. Our knowledgeable team is here to assist you every step of the way. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to call us at 888-204-0583 or email us at contact@idtodna.com. Privacy assurance. Your privacy is our top priority. All personal and genetic information is securely stored in our partner laboratory and will only be released with your explicit permission or when legally required. Ready to uncover your family connections? Call us today at 888-204-0583 or visit us at IDTODNA.com to order your sibling DNA test kit or to schedule an in-office appointment now. We look forward to helping you on your journey of discovery. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching.